Because believe it or not, like a lot of people argue about that. Like, why would you put a heated flooring in your shower? As soon as you turn on your shower faucet, it'll get warm. Well, that's not really the case. I mean, you're definitely not going to be warm back here. I mean, your shower head's only going to mainly be right where your body is at. So I definitely, if you're going to do a heated floor on the outside, really do recommend you put it on the inside of the shower too. The only thing about that is that you need a separate cable for the shower to meet Schluter's recommendations on that. You don't want to be just doing one cable for everything. They're just particular about the shower area. They just feel that if something went wrong in there, you just exit that and then you just at least have the outside floor. But honestly, I mean, I'm not sure exactly what could possibly go wrong there. But it does, you know, you have to run the ditra heat mat into the shower on top of the pan. And then you basically just take a whole sheet of this membrane, and after you put the heated wire in, and then you basically encapsulate it with the Schluter membrane. So you're kind of like adding all these layers of waterproofing to achieve that, but definitely a great idea. Check out my video on that because there's a real important detail about setting the Schluter ditra mat in your shower, because you need to raise your flange that thickness so that when you have your slope, everything's in the proper way. Otherwise, your flange will be too far down and then you're kind of overcoming the ditra heat mat into your drain. Not a huge deal, but it's better to have it all on one flat surface so that this membrane sits nice and flush. But yeah, I definitely recommend that. I have it in my own shower, and I think it's definitely the way to go.